What's up world, Vladi B here with another video. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe and also like this video. In a little bit, I want to give you an advice that is not a financial advice, but a logical advice based on years of statistical data and information that has been proven over the years. The advice that I want to give you is simply do not sell off your position just because, as they say, there is blood on the streets, which all it really means in the end of the day is that everybody is selling off. And the reason for that is very simple. We are all tribal creatures. We all like to follow somebody. That's why there are more employees than there are entrepreneurs and employers. And this is why this system works that way. It works out for the government. If everybody was an entrepreneur, who would be the employee? There would be no employees to do all the dirty work. And so the same happens with the market. So right now you're seeing that it's up and down, it's crazy. And this usually happens when you zoom in into a specific point in time. But when you zoom out and look at the whole picture, the great picture, and the picture of over the last few years, you're seeing the trend is going upwards. Last year in 2021 and the beginning of this year, the market has been at its all-time high ever. And now it went down a little bit. Same thing happened with the cryptocurrency. The highs that we've seen with cryptocurrency were never seen before. And then suddenly they dropped. Of course, because people started selling off and economy is going to shit, the war started, all this uncertainty, and some countries banning cryptocurrency altogether, and other countries are buying into Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies. All this uncertainty caused a big sell-off, and other prices are lower. But keep in mind, they're not at their all-time lows. They're still pretty high. Even if you look at something like Shiba Inu, it used to have 9 zeros, believe it or not. And a lot of people became millionaires, the ones that invested into it at the right time. Unfortunately for us, that time is gone, but there may be another cryptocurrency that can explode. There may be another company out there who is going to explode. So in the end of the day, crypto market and stock market are extremely similar. Instead of having shares of companies, you're buying tokens of people that promise you something, some kind of utility. And this is why it's important to research a cryptocurrency just like you would research a stock market. In the stock market, if you don't trust a company, you're not going to put your hard-earned money into it. Same thing with the cryptocurrency. If you're going to invest into something like Squid Game or anything of that sort, most likely you're going to get yourself into a rug pull. There are people that made millions of dollars by investing into Bitcoin because they did it at the right time. But that's okay. There are other things out there. There are a lot of cryptocurrencies, thousands of them, tens of thousands of them, and you can still find the right one for yourself. But if you want to be more conservative, stick to the stock market, because stock market has a proven track record. As long as you invest into the right thing, into the right company. I'm not in a hurry. If I put $1,000 into something, I'm not expecting to pull anything out for the next 10 years, 5 to 10 years, and even more. With cryptocurrency, for example, you could invest something, you can invest a couple $1,000s into a token or a coin that might blow up in a few years, and one day you'll wake up a millionaire. There is still an opportunity, there is still a potential for this, the crypto space in general, even the stock market too, but not as much because of course stock market, more people are in it because it's proven. And that's why it's safer and more conservative too. So if you really want to just put your money to work, do it for the long term. Buy those stocks and hold them for as long as you can. Just make sure you don't invest where you cannot afford to lose. That's the most important advice that I can give you. Now, I really hope you enjoyed this video and found it useful. Please like this video, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in another video.